Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Google, so I'm on friendlyinternet.com here. And so if you guys use the free version of Google Gemini, you guys should pay attention to this because you guys are getting a free feature coming soon. So this is pretty cool. So it says, hey, Google is making a core Gemini feature available to free users. Considered by some as the smartest chatbot, Gemini is now getting even more useful for non-paying users. So let's go ahead and check this out here. So it says here, as fascinating as texting with the chatbot may be, there are very small details that make the experience feel artificial. Beyond the excessive use of dumb dashes and formulaic phrasing and pattern as an effort wrong, but I tried my best on that. AI is notorious for being really forgetful, especially for free users. Google's latest update may fix that forgetfulness for non-paying users, at least partially. Gemini Past Chats feature is coming for free users. So Google's Gemini's Past Chats are coming to free users. So that's pretty dope. So if you guys pay for Google Gemini, you guys already have this feature already. So I assume you send to free users. So that's very nice. So it says here Google has started rolling out the Past Chats feature for non-paying users of Gemini. The feature will become available for users of the mobile app and web version of the chatbot, according to a 9to5 Google report. So that's very nice. It says as its name suggests, past chats allows Gemini to take note of every previous conversations when it works on future responses. That allows the model to learn more about your preference and give you more personalized answers without the need to explicitly remind it of facts from your previous conversation. So it will save you time on that. So that's one example. When you continue researching a topic in a new chat, you won't need to clarify how far you went into it. You can also add, quote, did you use any info from past chats to your Gemini prompt? So that is very nice there. There are some limitations to this feature coming soon to the free users. Google Gemini, obviously, because obviously the free version of Gemini has limitations on it, so you have to keep in mind. It says while the feature was first introduced to Google AI subscribers late last year, it's just coming to everyone in the rest of the world. The exception is users in New York who are going to get access to the feature at a later time. That's likely due to the more strict regulations about using personal user data in the European Union. So if you guys are on the free tier of Google Gemini, you guys should be getting this past chats feature coming soon in the rest of the world. If you're in the European Union, you guys will have to wait a bit longer for that. So keep that in mind. It says that to activate the feature, you should go to the Google Gemini settings menu and find the new personal contacts page. In it, you can enable or disable your past chats with Gemini toggle. That would make an instructions for Gemini menu appear below the toggle, which appears to give you more control over the details that Gemini remembers about you. The future of that feature is set to be able to tap into other Google products such as Gmail and Photos and get context from those. Other chatbots also offer similar features to their users. ChatGPT has a memory feature that could tap into custom memories and the user's recent chats. Another step to usefulness. One of the positives of the quick development of AI is that some advanced features are quickly trickling down to free users. So that's nice for free users of different chatbots like Gemini, ChatGPT, etc. Having your visual system actually remember some key facts about you is the bare minimum many users would expect. The person who wrote the article said that they're glad that Google is now providing this for free and they hope that it gets smarter over time. So this is pretty cool. So yeah. So if you guys have the free version of Google Gemini, you guys are getting the past chats feature coming soon. So stay tuned for that. This is really cool. See how this thing plays out. If you guys have used it before on the paid version of Google Gemini, you guys know what it does. I didn't know that was a thing till just now, but yeah, it's pretty cool though. So if you have the free version of Google Gemini, you're getting more features. So that's cool too. So yeah, so sometimes that these paid features, paid features of these AI chatbots sometimes do get trickled down to free users later on. So that is very cool there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's my what, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.